Do I feel O when I do love? And we have seen that in the beginning of today, I did an exercise where I, without saying it, I suggested to make an O gesture in front. So embracing the world, I said, and then I closed my fingers. And then this small O just became a resemblance, for a very big one. So I do this O, but I still feel it would go around the big world. I have the whole world in my arms. And feel this in the back. When I do the love gesture, an indication by Rudolf Steiner was, it's like the I gesture, the gesture from E, in a sphere of the O. So it's not just the O, the warmth, but it's a combination of light and warmth. It's a raying out, and this raying out embraces everything. So I do not close, but it's becoming even bigger. With the I go behind what is visible. So maybe if you want to feel it, it's a little bit, you feel towards the left and the right, and then you ray out. And then you let this light quality stream forward. So it's an O around you, which gives the gesture the tendency to round itself, but it's not you yourself anymore who is doing the O. There's something bigger, something which lives in our love. Not our central being, but maybe the bigger part of our own being.